In this video, I'll show you how to download Loox reviews from your Shopify store quickly and easily, perfect for backups, analysis, or record keeping. Start by opening your web browser and logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store admin, head to the app section and click on the Loox app to open the Loox dashboard. Inside Loox, navigate to the reviews section. This is where all your customer reviews are stored. Look for an option labeled Export Reviews or Export to CSV. Loox provides a built-in export feature that allows you to download all reviews in a CSV file format, which works perfectly with tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Click the Export option and Loox will automatically generate and download the CSV file to your computer. Depending on your browser, the file will either save to your downloads folder or ask you where you want to save it. That's it. You've successfully downloaded all your Loox reviews from your Shopify store. You can now analyze customer feedback, create backups, or reuse reviews wherever needed.